Welcome to Junior Journeys Kids channel.
Hello kids, welcome to our fun learning video. Today we're going to learn 5 amazing shapes with colorful objects. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a circle. A circle is round and has no corners. Let's say it together. Circle.
Circle.
Great job, kiddos. A ball, a clock, a donut, and the sun. All these things are shaped like a circle.
Circle.
This shape is called a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. A slice of pizza, a road sign, a birthday hat, and a slice of watermelon. Triangles are super fun. Now look at this shape. It's a square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. A gift box, a window, a square tile, a biscuit. Wow! So many square things around us. Now let's learn about a rectangle. A rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. A door, a book, a mobile phone, and a chocolate bar. Rectangles are everywhere in our homes. And here's a beautiful shape, a star. Stars have 5 points, just like the ones we see in the sky. A starfish, a star badge, a glowing star sticker. Stars shine bright and look magical.
A star. A rectangle, a square, a triangle, a circle. These are all fantastic shapes.
Great job, kids. Today we learned 5 shapes. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, star. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.